SEO is a word that gets thrown around a lot. Do I really need SEO for my business?
Most beginning entrepreneurs do not. And let me frame this. The SEO industry has some really exceptional work that they do to refine uh, the outcomes of businesses online. But those advanced tactics and strategies apply when you're paying for ads or you're paying for all these different services and you're selling products like if you're Nike or Coca-Cola or GM, right? They have armies of people that are writing content, that they have strategies that work. As an entrepreneur, even a mid-sized entrepreneur, you don't need those advanced strategies. You need good, useful, helpful content and get it out there and make the connections with your clients first. Optimizing your content, getting it to show up higher on the page is often not what's needed because your people are going to be asking such specific questions, they're going to connect with your content. They don't need to see a result at the top of the page because they're looking for a specific thing and you're going to have that. It's a unique thing. They're not looking for red sneakers. They're looking for a copywriter who does, I don't know, annual reports. Like they're being very specific. So I believe that SEO isn't needed in the early stages, mid-sized stages. I think that's more for the more advanced and larger organizations.